W.B. Yeats once said, "The world is full of magic things waiting for our senses to grow sharper." And that quote is essentially the basis for this video. The Irish language is full of surprises and poorly concealed linguistic treats that will enrich your mind and nourish your soul. If you explore and embrace Irish place names, then you're going to be able to unlock these precious secrets of our past. For example, I live close to a place called Ballynagee. This is an anglicised name as its original name is Ballynagee, the windy town or the windy homestead. Athlone is a town right in the centre of Ireland, Ilor na Tíre. Its proper name is Á Luan, meaning Luan's Ford, and rumour has it it was named after that town's first entrepreneur who was called Luan, and he helped ferry people across the river for a small fee. And what about the town of Omagh in County Tyrone? Its original name is Ó Muí, said to mean the sacred or the virgin plain. Screen is another place name that manifests itself in a few places around Ireland. This comes from the Irish word screen, meaning a shrine, and in some cases these shrines were built in homage to St. Columcille, one of Ireland's patron saints and revered for spreading Christianity around Ireland and Scotland. St. Columcille was said to be a descendant from an ancient Irish high king. Our history, heritage and folklore is very much intertwined in our place names. Star, Oireachd, Béiledish. These are the spectacular cliffs of Moher in County Clare, and this iconic rock formation is Ben Bulben in County Sligo. The cliffs of Moher gets its name from an old Irish word, Moher. This means the ruins of an old fort. And what a place to have a fort. Ben Bulben's proper name is Bean Gulban, the Peak of Gulban, a legendary mythical figure from Irish folklore. Ben Bulben is also strongly associated with Fionn McCool and his legendary band of warriors known as the Fianna. Places like the Cliffs of Moher and Ben Bulben are reflections of your ancestors. They represent your forefathers and their heritage. They have stories to tell and history to share. These places play music that only your soul can hear. Every time you unwrap an Irish place name, you are being presented with a gift from history. And at the same time, you are peering through a window into the motherland that was once the edge of the world. And this, my friends, is how you decolonize your mind.